What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. This one is all about a system of equations involving pictures, and the theme here is one of my favorite sports, tennis. And of course, we've got the greatest tennis player of all time, Roger Federer. The key is to figure out what the values of each of the items are from top down, and don't forget to pay attention to that last line. Go ahead and hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So first things first, we're going to start with the tennis racket, and I can see the tennis racket plus the tennis racket is 12, which means the value of the tennis racket is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So then I bring that information down here. This one is also a value of 6. What minus 6 equals 5? Well, of course, that is 11. So now I know the value of the tennis ball is 11. That's great. Now we come down here and I see that Federer times 2 tennis rackets equals 108. Well, 2 tennis rackets must have a value of 12, right? If one is just 6. So what times 12 equals 108? That gives us 9 for Federer. Now we come to the last section, and here we want to be really careful about both observation and order of operations. So first, I see that it's Federer, so you might be thinking, okay, this has a value of 9, but wait a minute, he's now holding a racket, so it's 9 plus 6, which means he has a value here of 15. The value of the racket, again, is just 6, no hidden items there. And then here we have Federer with a racket, which is 15, plus that tennis ball, which has a value of 11, so that has a total of 26. Now here's the last little tricky part, right? I've got plus and I've got times, but what am I supposed to do first? When it comes to those two operations, I do multiplication first. So 6 times 26 is 156, and then I add that to 15, and 15 plus 156 gives me a final value, I'll put it down here, of 171. I hope you enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.